interview.
Si hi.
Mini po.
Mag-si hi ka.
Hello.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. So, final answer is the Pops company to blood from hospital. So, can I talk to you?
Okay.
The
And then?
Chinese notebook. So the
Bakit tagin Chinese notebook?
so what you? Kasi
Oh, yung pag-artista mo, sinong nag-ano sa'yo niyan? Si Bongbong Marcos?
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam.
Felipe, I can receive. Kasi si Felipe, taong 1954.
Oh.
So,
Anong nangyari?
isa siyang agnas na tinusok sa akin.
Ay, patay tayo dyan.
Down.
Ikaw, sumayaw ka na muna. Sayaw.
Sabi mo, hello international people.
No money.
Money nga.
Hi guys, need money ni ate.
No, because I can receive your account because you are crazy. Then you have swap. Hello, ibang bansa. Hello, you retry and return to go. Okay. Yes, dual.
Ano nga pangalan mo, te?
I don't like.
Anong
My
pangalan mo?
name is Juana Postal to RP.
From where the from? From Rotunda. Metro Manila.
Hindi, second ID. First ID is RP,
Oh.
Karuhatan.
Karuhatan,
So,
Valenzuela.
what you need?
And then transfer to another places where
No money, Philippines.
in the Philippines. Valenzuela or Valenzuela, USA.
Receive, I don't know whose the name is the point to the guys.
Wow.
Receive your account.
Wow.
Kasi first
You are bloggers also? Before?
Then my babies, I have money. Is the country to the girl here. Then I'm asleep because I'm pregnant. Then my suso is umaba.
Kita nyo guys, siya lang po si Juana. Pero pag gutom lalo
From
siyang
Agnas.
nagwawala. Pag busog naman, nagsasayaw, tumatawa. Sabi niya, pero maganda siya, tingnan niyo.
Okay, I can
Yan.
I like it.
First time ko to mag-vlog ng ganito, pero
So,
sana
postal, I receive. Di ba? O, di ba?
kasamahan ko. Tumago.
Ay, sis, baby.
Si hi.
Ay, Fanny from the Japan.
Japanese.
Yes. Nakasarap ko kasi. She is coming. She is coming.
You know how to dance. You know how to dance. What the dance?
TV is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is